have enjoyed performing for you. You're a great audience. I hope you've enjoyed the show. If you like the show so far, say yeah. Yeah. If you want to see the end of the show, say yeah. Yeah. You each pay me $20. Say yeah. One of you will give me a 20. I think I deserve it. Some of you 10, some of you 5. Now for that donation, I said I was in addition going to teach you all one trick. How to get out of these ropes. Guys, come over here. Let that go. Face each other. Now remember the rules. Hold that for him. Who's with him? All right, who's with her? Who's with her? Hold that. Now remember the rules, Andy. You can't slip it off. You can't untie. You can't cut it. You can't burn it. You can't chew it. You can't break it. No friction. Let that go. And Andy, you'll never meet this woman again. So I want you to have a lot of fun trying to get out. Are you ready? Andy, are you ready? Christina, are you ready? Set. And... hold on. Who did that? Ready? Set. And go.
Oh my God.